Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we are going to solve one very interesting algebraic problem. Here we have one cubic equation known whose roots are a, b and c. Equation is x cube plus 2x square plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Then it is said to find the value of a square plus b plus c times b square plus c plus a times c square plus a plus b. So let's get started by considering required expression equal to E. Now we will be using Vieta's formula for the sum of roots. As we know, this is equal to minus of coefficient of x square over leading coefficient. So we will get a plus b plus c equal to minus 2. Now we will write our expression using algebraic manipulation. E will be equal to a square. Then we have b plus c. So I will subtract a and add a so that we will get a plus b plus c. This is our bracket number 1 times b square will subtract b. So we have to add b. Then we have c plus a. Again b plus c plus a is minus 2. Then we have c square minus c plus c. Then we will write remaining two terms a plus b. Again we are getting c plus a plus b, which is a plus b plus c minus 2. So here we are going to write minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. So our expression will become a square minus a minus 2 times b square minus b minus 2 times c square minus c minus 2. Using factorization method, we can find factors very easily. We can write here a plus 1 times a minus 2. Similarly, we will write here b plus 1 times b minus 2. And here we will be writing c plus 1 times c minus 2. Or we will write expression E equal to a plus 1 times b plus 1 times c plus 1 times a minus 2 times b minus 2 times c minus 2. Now we have to find these two products separately. Let us say this cubic polynomial is our px. So I will write here px equal to x cube plus 2x square plus 2x minus 4, which we can write in the roots form x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, as this cubic having roots a, b and c. Now this is equal to px. So our target is to find a plus 1, b plus 1, c plus 1. So I need to plug in x equal to minus 1 here. So we will get p of minus 1 in LHS, and in RHS minus 1 minus a, minus 1 minus b, minus 1 minus c. Now we will take minus 1 common from each of the brackets. So we can write minus 1 times a plus 1, minus 1 times b plus 1, minus 1 times c plus 1. Now minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. So we will write minus of a plus 1 times b plus 1 times c plus 1, which is required in our expression. So we will keep required expression a plus 1 times b plus 1 times c plus 1. This is nothing but minus of p minus 1. Now here we are going to put x equal to minus 1. So we will get minus of n bracket p of minus 1 will be minus 1 cube plus 2 times minus 1 is square plus 2 times minus 1 minus 4, which will be equal to minus of minus 1 cube is minus 1, 2 times minus 1 is square is plus 2, then we have minus 2 minus 4. Now plus 2 and minus 2 will get over. We will get minus 1 minus 4 in the bracket, which is minus 5. So value will be equal to 5. Now our target is to find b minus 2, a minus 2, c minus 2. So I will write here px, which is equal to x cube plus 2x square plus 2x minus 4. Now we are going to plug in x equal to 2. So I will write here p of x first in the product form of the roots, x minus a times x minus p times x minus c. Let's plug in x equal to 2. We will get p of 2 equal to 2 minus a, 2 minus b, 2 minus c. We are going to take minus common from each of the bracket. We will get minus of a minus 2, b minus 2, c minus 2. So from here we can write a minus 2 times b minus 2 times c minus 2 will be minus of p2. And px is available here. So we can write value will be equal to minus of 2 cube plus 2 times 2 square plus 2 times 2 minus 4. This is P2, which will be equal to minus of 2 cube is 8 plus 2 times 4 is 8 plus 2 times 2 is 4 minus 4. Now plus and minus 4 will be over. We will get minus of 8 plus 8 is 16. So value of a minus 2 times b minus 2 times c minus 2. This is equal to negative 16. Now the turn of finding required expression E will be equal to, we'll write a plus 1 times b plus 1 times c plus 1 times a minus 2 times b minus 2 times c minus 2. Now we have calculated this value and this value separately. So if I will write a plus 1 times b plus 1 times c plus 1, then this was 5. And if we will write a minus 2 times b minus 2 times c minus 2, then this value was minus 16. So we can write our required expression will be equal to 5 times negative 16, which will be equal to minus 80. So we can say our final answer will be expression value equal to negative 80, which is written here. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.